Hi everyone, welcome to Bikini Design Club. On today's short video, I will introduce you to our swimsuit pattern, Gal. It's the swimsuit I'm wearing today, and since it's winter outside, I decided to shoot this using a skirt to combine with my swimsuit. So you can actually use it as a body if you want, or even with a blazer on top, and you can go out with a nice long V neckline, but well, it's up to you. It has a very open back with the finish with a clasp on the top, and I really love it because it's very versatile. And despite I imagined that it wouldn't be usable because I thought probably the design wouldn't allow me to move and still feel safe, but it actually does feel safe. Once you have it on, I actually feel very comfortable, and I really liked it once it was sewn. It has a high hip, open back, non-reversible, because you will see stitches on the top stitch or the zigzag stitch on your leg holes, but that's the only spot where you can see the stitches. All the other places, the seams are hidden on the neckline, here, even here, on the top waist, everywhere the seams are hidden except the leg holes. So I've sewn this one using 2 layers of the same fabric. Of course, I applied elastic on the side of the main fabric, so you wouldn't have the second fabric sticking out, but nevertheless, it's all black, so it wouldn't make a lot of difference. You already have the YouTube tutorial on how to sew Gal on our YouTube channel, and you also have it available if you want to buy at bikinidesignClub.com. And that's it for today, girls. See you soon. Bye!